Yeah, I touch the moon. Yeah, I touch the moon. Yeah, anybody wanna touch the moon? Come on, let me take you to the moon. Take a ride with me. But let me first take you back to my memories. Take you back to my past ways, past days. Yeah, take you back another chapter of my life. Yeah, all the struggles, all the pain that I've been through. Yeah, do you wanna walk in my shoes and see pop again in my cerebrum and wash away all the memories of the past life, all the mistakes, all the enemies in my head, all the hate and pride in my head. Yeah, my cells couldn't take me and my sense couldn't help me, so I just let my brain walk it around. They tell me that I never gonna make it. Every time that I've been on the mic, every time that I tryna freestyle, everybody say that I just another idiot. Things that I spit, yeah, this is the real talk, man. I touch the moon, yeah, I touch the moon, that's my real dream. Yeah, I touch the moon, yeah. You can keep telling me that I ain't never gonna make it to the top, but now you see me on the screen, yeah. That's the sky and I'm gonna touch it hot, and I'm gonna touch so many people around. Now I touch the moon, yeah. Now I touch the moon, yeah. Do you wanna touch the moon? Yeah, do you wanna touch the moon? If you wanna touch the moon, then come ride with me. Yeah, come ride with me. A better day, a better man, a better dream. Yeah, that's what I'm all about, yeah. Yeah, I keep hustling every day, 9 to 5, yeah. Real fact friends, yeah. I can demonstrate it like a sheep and a goat, yeah. You can tell me that I never gonna make it. You can pile the boxes in my way. You can tell me that I'm just another suicidal thought boy, yeah. You can call me that suicide boy, but this boy here is on the mic tryna make it to the spotlight. Now you see me on the screen, yeah. This the real talk, yeah. This the real talk, yeah. You can never mess with the MiTH MiC, yeah. Made it in the hood with a mic, yeah. That's the scars, yeah, yeah. You can even heal your scars, yeah. Tell me who the MiTH MiC is, yeah. Write another name in the stars of my own, yeah. That's the real talk, yeah. I touch the moon, yeah, I touch the moon. If you wanna touch the moon, then come ride with me. Come ride with me.